And I personally want to share also, there is a very nice event also organized by the cluster. Maybe you will tell about it.
Oh, yes, actually.
The Printocent event, which is every 2 years held up in the north. This time is the winter edition.
It is, yeah. I
So
have some slides about that.
Yeah, so I've been on both of
Yeah.
these events. There's a complete ecosystem. It's very lovely to go there in wintertime. Just, okay, it's a little bit colder, but it's very nice. So I can recommend that. The floor is yours.
Thank you so much for the kind introduction and also advertising our Prince event. I have one slider in the end for describing that in more detail. So thanks. So Teemu Alajoki is my name, coming from VTT, and today my talk is about our recent advances in roll-to-roll manufacturing of green wearables. So first, just a few key facts and numbers about VTT as an organization. Basically, we are a leading European research and development organization, non-profit, fully owned by the state of Finland. We have over 2,000 employees nowadays from over 50 different countries. And we collaborate very closely with companies so we can help you in your strategic research, product development, IPR licensing, many ways. Yeah, let me check this one. Is it working? Okay, it's working. So, what VTT has to offer within wearables. Today my talk is mainly focusing on integrated flexible wearable devices, namely optical sensors, ECG sensors, also the sustainable green electronics. But we also conduct research on health data analytics, biosensors and diagnostics, as well as, let's say, point-of-care diagnostic and microfluidic platforms, realized both for polymer and paper substrates. Then moving on to some concrete demonstrators, some use cases. First, I present our stretchable ECG sensor. Basically, it features ultra low power ECG measurement, single lead measurement, and Bluetooth data streaming to mobile devices. And it's built on highly conformal TPU substrate, which is, as you probably know, it's breathable and soft, very nice to wear. But maybe more importantly, it's like a unique factor on this device is that all the components are directly assembled. Those discrete components are directly assembled on this TPU substrate using conductive adhesives. And also we have able to demonstrate all the manufacturing process steps using high volume roll-to-roll processing. I have a video here showing that, and I hope it's working. We even have music. Okay, no, not playing that again. So, besides the single lead ECG device, we also have a 6-lead, so multiple leads ECG device for aimed really for Holter monitoring applications, so in medical domain. And this is a more sort of conventional, traditional design. So we have reusable ECG electronics on basically a box, traditional electronics. But then there is also disposable pads. and